5-minute home workout for anxiety relief, proven by UFC athletes. Anxiety is no longer just a mental health buzzword. It's a real and rising epidemic in the US, with over 40 million adults affected each year, according to the Anxiety and Depression Association of America. But what if just 5 minutes of movement could calm your nervous system and rewire your brain for focus and resilience? Inspired by routines used by UFC athletes, this 5-minute home workout isn't just about sweat. It's scientifically proven to reduce anxiety and regulate your mood. 1. Jumping jacks activate the body, stabilize the mind. Jumping jacks may seem simple, but they're a full-body cardio exercise that wakes up the central nervous system and gets blood pumping to the brain. According to a study published in the Journal of Sports Medicine and Physical Fitness, even light aerobic activity like jumping jacks can significantly reduce anxiety symptoms by increasing serotonin and endorphin levels. UFC fighters use this as a warm-up to loosen muscles and mentally shift into performance mode. The sudden increase in oxygen and circulation helps bring clarity and calm almost instantly, like hitting a reset button on your nervous system. 2. Bodyweight squats build strength, reduce cortisol. Bodyweight squats aren't just for your legs, they're a psychological powerhouse. Performing squats activates large muscle groups, which signals the release of endorphins, the body's natural mood enhancers. A 2018 study in Frontiers in Psychology found that lower body resistance training can lower cortisol levels and reduce symptoms of generalized anxiety. UFC athletes often use high-rep bodyweight squats in quick bursts to regulate pre-fight jitters. One surprising fact: strength-based exercises help improve emotional regulation by boosting dopamine, a neurotransmitter tied to motivation and mood stability. 3. Push ups center your breath, channel the stress. Push-ups are more than just a chest workout. They require rhythm, breath control, and mental focus. According to Harvard Health, strength training exercises like push-ups can reduce symptoms of anxiety by providing a grounding, repetitive movement that distracts from racing thoughts. UFC trainers teach fighters to use controlled push-ups as part of their mental warm-up routine. The breath-to-movement synchronization during push-ups also mimics the calming effect of breath work. Plus, pushing your own body weight enhances self-efficacy, a known psychological tool for combating anxiety. 4. Plank hold train stillness, enhance mental grit. Planking is a deceptively powerful exercise that trains not just your core, but also your focus and resilience. Research in the Journal of Health Psychology highlights that isometric exercises, like planks, activate parasympathetic nervous system responses, which calm the body. UFC fighters use plank holds to simulate calm under pressure, training their minds to stay centered during discomfort. The longer you hold the plank, the more mental endurance you build. That endurance doesn't just help you in workouts, it helps you respond to anxiety with composure. 5. Shadowboxing, release emotional tension with purpose. Shadowboxing isn't just a fighter's warm-up. It's one of the most cathartic and dynamic anxiety relief exercises you can do. It combines aerobic movement, hand-eye coordination, and mental visualization. A 2021 study from Psychology of Sport and Exercise found that combat-style movements release stress faster than traditional cardio, due to the emotional release paired with focus and rhythm. UFC athletes shadowbox to burn off adrenaline, regulate breathing, and enter a flow state. For you, even 60 seconds of jabs and footwork in your living room can release pent-up emotion and replace it with presence and control. Why this works: the science of movement and mental health. This quick UFC-inspired workout taps into both the sympathetic, fight or flight, and parasympathetic, rest and digest, nervous systems, creating a balanced physiological shift that clears mental fog and reduces anxiety. Each move is strategically chosen to trigger endorphin release, reduce cortisol, and enhance neurotransmitters like dopamine and serotonin. Final thoughts: you don't need a gym, fancy equipment, or a 90-minute workout to manage anxiety. This 5-minute UFC-proven home routine offers a practical, science-backed way to improve your mood, reduce stress hormones, and boost your mental focus, right from your living room. Commit to this daily for 1 week and track your emotional state. You may be surprised just how powerful 5 minutes of intentional movement can be.